Taken out the leap and says, taxi, well, Nelson Ketla, Tasha, or Cash Mission. Celebs, what jeepers we Sarah Jessica Parker, Lewen, I guess Matthew Broderick, I guess Nigel and Jarmid, you know, the Enya, so going in, I guess Daniel O'Donnell, in China Tashka, Has the was the taxi. Sarah Jessica Parker, Tishi Intabug, I guess Ban Whistle, Tishi Inta Curdual, how she cashed it on journey, which is a taxi lum, for my Yehai Cronin, China Doi, Curdual's Tashi. Then you Inta Whistle, Sarah Jessica Parker.
Ach ní Sarah am taon duine uasal a higisteach agus amach as an Aerfort seo.
Hannig Meryl Streep and John Job, she did Genu Dancing at Lunasa, agus bhí me siar síre gan am agus níach am aígus mar the buire for dada, but bhí she into jazz le she forn leg, lock she am la lord la hand and you bhí gobin chor and lay.
And I feel so lucky that Brian has given us a glimpse into some of the cottages of Donegal, the soul of one of the homes of Donegal. It's just so great to be here.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of celebrities over the years passing through the airport. I guess the likes of Sarah Jessica Parker she would come annually.
Grandini better I give her pell, Alan Shasting, just chuck shit the stahan show her in the private jets.
Seamus Coleman's another guy that comes in, Everton player, Island captain.
Packy Boner, of course.
It's a lovely little airport, just a beautiful spot, so relaxing, you know. And it's just a pity we have to leave on a day like this.
Metallica. A number of years ago, yeah, we had Metallica.
We have, of course, Daniel O'Donnell flying in as well.
They'll come in here where they can fly under the radar, for lack of better words for it.
Yeah. Could I could be in the master shell office. Was it? Yeah, to get away. Jenny, yeah, differently for us.